How to activate your code on Canal Plus. Step 1. Open the activation link first. Open your browser and go to https://connect.canalplus.com. This is the official Canal Plus activation page. Step 2. Enter your code. On the activation page, you'll see a field asking for your activation code. This code should have been provided to you by Canal Plus via email or another method. Carefully enter the code exactly as it appears. Be mindful of uppercase and lowercase letters, as they may be case-sensitive. Step 3. Log in to your Canal Plus account. After entering the activation code, you may be prompted to log into your Canal Plus account. If you don't have an account yet, follow the instructions on the page to create one. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials, email and password, and proceed. Step 4. Verify the activation. Once logged in, your code should be validated. The system will verify that the code is correct and activate your subscription or service immediately. You may be redirected to a confirmation page indicating that your activation was successful. Step 5. Enjoy Canal Plus Insus content. Once your activation is confirmed, you can start enjoying Canal Plus services right away. You can access movies, series, sports events, and more via the Canal Plus platform. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues while activating your code, ensure that you've entered the code correctly, without any spaces or mistakes. Make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're using the most up-to-date version of your browser. If problems persist, you can reach Canal Plus customer support for assistance. This guide will help viewers easily follow the activation process on Canal Plus. Feel free to adjust the language to match your style.